Good afternoon, friends. How are you guys? তোমরা কেমন আছো? So today I am at the Aircraft Museum in Newtown, Kolkata, and what you are seeing is the actual fighter plane that was the largest, fastest, and biggest anti-submarine warfare aircraft. So this was used to detect submarines of our enemy under the ocean, and we just completed our visit inside the aircraft. It's tremendous, it's beautiful, and this aircraft actually needed 10 pilot to operate the same. So there are a lot of intricacies that can be seen if you come here. If you visit, the entry fee is just 30 rupees. Videography or photography is not allowed inside the aircraft. So I will take you to the front portion of the aircraft. So as you can see, it was named as Tupolev and it's procured by Russian army, and this particular aircraft served Indian Air Force for 29 years from 1988 to 2017. After that it was decommissioned and it was placed in this aircraft museum. There are two propellers, huge propellers that you can see, and the length of the aircraft is 53 meters and the distance between the two endpoints of the wings is 50 meters. And they have also made a nice beautiful park for the children. The play area is also designed as per aircrafts. So it is beautiful, a must visit place for 2 or 3 hours once you come to Newtown. So one interesting fact of this museum is that they have also kept guides who will explain you, and that cost is included in your ticket price. Here you can see one guide is explaining about the aircraft to few of the tourists. So close to an aircraft, Air Force aircraft to be precise. So another thing, if you visit in this museum, you can also see few missiles that are kept and the launching pad from where those missiles used to get launched to the target. That also you can see. So it's a very nice place for a weekend trip. Thank you. That's all for now.